Hello everybody, welcome to this brand new video. In this brand new video we're gonna take a look on how to create a process, how to add Google Admob onto our app to get more downloads. So just follow along with me. As you can see, these are some of my apps that I've already added already. You just go to admob.com. By the way, don't worry, I'm gonna put the link down below. Go to apps, and from apps just like add new apps. Have you published your app on Google Play or the App Store? Yes. So here this is search by app name, developer name, or app ID. Okay, so I'm just gonna search by, I'm gonna use my developer name. Yeah, that's my developer name. As you can see, these are all my apps. I've already added some already, so let me look at the one to add now. Okay, let me just add this one. Congrats, your app have been added to Admob. Okay, so what next? So they have 3 ads here. I'm gonna focus today on a banner, not this other rewarded and so on. So you're gonna click select, and from there they say this place add unique name. Unique name means enter a unique name and description that will help you find this ad unique later. For example, level up promo. So I'm just gonna use level up promo, but if you can write a long description alongside, it is good. So I'm just gonna use some level up promo. Yeah. What next? Great. Add unique successful. Now what next? Click done. So if you go to app, as you can, if you go to app, this is the app that we just added. If you come down here, this is the app that we just added. So if you are refresh the page, this is the app that we just added. So that is how simple to create a Google Admob to add to your app so you can get more downloads. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. Until then, see you guys.